Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in our Saturday bonus video, we'll take a walk through the New Orleans Morial Convention Center. The convention hall is named for the late mayor of New Orleans, Ernest N. Morial, and has over 3 million square feet of space, including 1.1 million square feet of exhibit space. The building is about 6/10 of a mile long, running along the Mississippi River and going under the Crescent City Connection bridges. We'll walk about a half mile today since the Wizard World Comic Con was taking place at the far end of the building and we couldn't go any further. The center was planned starting in 1978. It's the 5th largest facility of its kind in the United States, and as of early 2005 was the 2nd busiest. The first portion of the building was constructed as part of the 1984 Louisiana World Exposition. A series of additions in subsequent decades expanded the center further upriver. In August of 2005, Wheel of Fortune came to tape 3 weeks of shows at the convention center. But as Hurricane Katrina threatened the area, they canceled the last week in order to evacuate. In the aftermath of Katrina, the convention center was the second most important shelter for survivors after the Louisiana Superdome. After Hurricane Katrina passed through the city in 2005, thousands of evacuees were directed to the convention center as an unofficial evacuation center. In the confusion following the disaster, people escaping from flooded neighborhoods were directed to the convention center by police and word of mouth, with the expectation that there would be provisions, aid, and evacuation buses there. However, no such resources were there for several days. Thousands gathered at the complex in difficult conditions with no power, no water, no food, no medical supplies, no proper sanitation, and no public order. Only minimal occasional law enforcement presence within the center, resulting in incidents of crime and gang violence. There were reports of multiple deaths at the center from causes including violence, dehydration, and lack of medication for the ill. The poor conditions and lack of prompt government response at the convention center were revealed to the nation on several TV news networks including CNN and Fox. The Morial Convention Center was declared evacuated on September 4, 2005. After serving as a temporary medical clinic for some time, the structure again began welcoming conventions in early 2006, including that of the American Library Association. The convention center finished a complete renovation of the facility in November of 2006. A previously scheduled expansion project, which would add 524,000 square feet of exhibition space in a new building, has been temporarily delayed. The 2006 renovations included the creation of a 4,032-seat New Orleans theater, a concert hall used primarily for concerts, Broadway stage shows, and other special events. Here we got some shots of people attending the Comic-Con in their costumes. I'm old and out of touch and have no idea who any of these people are supposed to be, but their costumes were cool. We'll conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.